Today's May 20th, 2022. So there I got a call from a guy I've worked for him a bunch of times. Second floor AC's not working. I know it's a York unit, R22, an older one. I think I might have put gas in it last year, but he's saying it's not working. This first floor unit I had to change the condenser fan on it. Was bad. It was pretty bad with dog piss, and he's got some old stuff there that's going to need to be upgraded sooner or later, but we'll have to go by and see what's happening with it. Maybe it just needs a little douche for now. So that don't look bad. How many filters you got in the ceiling?
I got one and this one.
Okay, and there's another one here. Yeah, he's gonna have to get new filters.
Okay.
Do you have any?
I don't know. No, I think that no, I don't.
14 by 24 by 1, but
okay.
Anyway.
So.
Let's see if the fan works.
It's off.
Huh?
It's off.
Yeah, but I'm just trying to see if the fan works. It's not that warm in here, but let's... Might be a fan issue. The fan's not working. The fan's supposed to be working there. See it? How do I get in the attic?
From here.
Hang on.
From here. Here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go check it. Just got it on fan on. That's not a problem there. Let's open it up and see what's going on with it. See if we got any power coming into this thing. See, the fan's not hot. $220 coming in. All right. The red. See that the red and the green there. We'll check it, see if we got voltage coming into the fan. There's a little fuse there. I wonder if that fuse don't look blown to me. Let's see what we got here. Got no voltage. Might have a bad transformer there. no voltage. Got a bad transformer. See if we got power going out. 240. We got 240. No low voltage. Nothing. We got no low voltage. What a shitty spot to have a transformer way in the back there. Unless that board's bad. It's got heat strips in this bitch. It's a heat pump. Isn't that weird? No. Wonder if I can get in there without killing myself. Either it's the transformer that's way in the back there, or the board's bad. I'm not sure which, but either way, it's not going to be easy to fix it. Let's see if I can get back there and see what the fuck. If I can get back there and test it. No, I'm getting fucking zapped here. That's 120 there. I got 120 going in. What's coming out of that thing? That brown. 24 volts should be coming in this red right here. Man, this is a shitty spot to work in. I'm surprised this thing's a heat pump. To be honest with you. I can test it. This red right here. I know I got power going into it. Oh, I just wiggled the wires and she come on. Must have a bad connection there on the wires. And I moved that common wire and she fired up, so it must have been a bad connection. Look at that shit, huh? Might have been just a bad connection there. I got a little crusty. She's a crusty one, huh? Oh man, she's a crusty. There's the model and serial in case I gotta get a board for it. 3-ton. Where's the refrigerant lines go? They go all that way. So you can hear the fan running, right? Yeah. So we're gonna put it on. We're gonna put it on fan automatic and on cooling, and then we're set for. I'm just gonna have to put it lower.
In 60.
Yeah, just to kick it on. I don't know if it's gonna come on that low, and then we'll manual. And I'll check it outside, okay? Fan's working, there should be a delay. Can he get some new filters or you want me to get them?
Filters? Yeah.
Can he get the filters?
I think that I have it in the basement.
We're gonna check it outside. It's on that end. I think that's the one I put gas in last year, I'll be honest with you. This one's a 12 by 12. And this one's a 14 by 24, which is a queer size. Alright, we got heat blowing out of here. So this is sweating. It's good. It's fine. Charges fine on this thing. It's a whirlpool. Nothing but quality. This is ICP too. Whirlpool. Nothing but quality, yeah. That's fine. Here's the other one that I changed the fan on. Had to put another fan. The fan was just spinning. But this one's getting a little crusty. This is the first floor unit. It's working outside too, so.
Yeah, it's working outside.
It's working in here and outside.
Okay, good. So, do you feel that the one on the attic is time to replace?
Oh, program. Put on program and put it off. Now, do you think your son can get new filters?
The filter is the dimension is what? 20 by 22?
No. 14 by 24. You gotta write it down because it's a square size.
Okay.
Get a paper. This one's 16 by 20 by 1. I checked that it's fine.
This one is okay. I need to replace that one.
No, it's fine, but it's fine for this year. But let me write it down here. Right there, okay?
Okay, perfect. Good. So this one is fine.
Yeah, and if you got extra filters, I mean, you could just put them right here. And they're not going to go bad. You don't like to have clutter.
But look at this basement.
Well, that's because you got the little grandkids.
I know.
Where's the light?
I don't have more filter there, no.
You got any light?
No, I don't have filter there. No.
That's it, just one? I thought you got another system.
No.
You got systems on the other side of the garage, air conditioning. Is that for above the garage?
It's in the attic, the other system. The other, okay. This one is for the first floor.
Right.
The one that you fixed on the second floor is
Right.
in the attic.
Right.
And the one in that area, where next to the garage, everything is in the attic.
Oh, okay, that one, I don't know where that one is. So you just need filters for upstairs. These filters are okay. So you don't want me to get you extras. You don't want them hanging around.
No, you see the basement. And then they're playing